Arca Colbert Speedokote Refinish Network. All right, guys, so we got a new sponsor on board, Flashshark Racing. Sent us some really cool parts for the RSX, amongst other cars. We got some exhaust for the red Genesis. It's a 2.0 turbo. Sent us these high-performance adjustable coilover suspension. Now, just to be clear, this suspension is rated for the 02 to 05 Honda Civic. However, most of the suspension components and everything of that nature is all actually the same. So you can actually crisscross these parts. It'll all work fine. So we're about halfway finished up. We got the driver's side, passenger side. This one's just about all the way in. We're working on this one. We probably are gonna need to get, and this is a good suggestion I'll make. Whenever you're doing suspension, especially on these 02 to 05 Civics and the RSXs, go ahead and get you some new tie rod end links before you even do the install, because these usually when you try and tighten the bolt back on, they just free spin and you can't get that tight. I gotta get some parts finished up the front. We got new front brakes. Just doing a nice little freshen up on this car, along with we already did a full paint job on it, so looks pretty clean. Get these back struts out. It's literally one bolt on the bottom, and as you guys can see, this side's nice and shiny. I'll show you. Only two bolts on the top, one there and one there. Just slides right through, and that is it. 3 bolts, and you're done. You will need a nice handy jack to go ahead and jack the strut up to get it through the holes. I mean, you could probably do it without it, but very simple to do. There you guys have it. Flashshark Racing suspension went in relatively easy. The only thing you're gonna have a problem with these older Hondas is the tie rod end links. They just want to free spin all the time. Your rear lower control arms, things that, and it's all the other accessory components to your suspension, your coilover. What I suggest you do is whenever you're doing these coilover jobs, just get all those other parts. Even if your factory parts are good, they're still probably aged and have some corrosion, wear and tear. Just get those parts before you do this install. Just go ahead and just replace everything in one shot, and the suspension install will come out very good. This is like functional ride height, okay? This isn't slammed. I mean, we could take the front down, which we will actually take the front down just a little bit more, because it looks like the rear is a little bit lower than the front. This is functional. It can still get over the little lip in the front of my garage. I know I got to do some groundwork, a little bit of leveling, and maybe a little bit of asphalt here down the road once I get my other financial stuff figured out. It clears that lip. Doesn't really hit anything that I know of. I mean, it makes a little clump when you get over the lip. Of course, any lower car does, and even my Genesis, we just slammed that thing. Looking gnarly. Gotta get some wheels for it now, but very happy with it. Seemed like good quality parts. Everything was anodized and coated. If you're a rice burner like me, you got a bunch of rice burners and older Hondas, and I got the Hyundais now and everything like that. This is a website you're going to want to visit. Everything from coilovers, header systems, catback exhaust systems. Our next video, they actually sent us a little bit of unboxing. They sent us their full stainless polished with the cool burnt tip catback for the old Genesis. It's going to be my next hot rod on the list. I'm going to get fixed up, but they got exhaust systems. They got coilovers. They got oil catch cans. They got all that kind of stuff, guys. And guess what? It's professionally built and it's cheap. I mean, look at the welds on this $200 catback exhaust. Now, I mean, I'm not going to say those are the best TIG welds in the world, but this is definitely economy professional built parts. Great. I'm very happy with this stuff. Like I said, there's you guys out there that, of course I'm into everything. You guys know I got my Fords and my Trans Am and all my other American classic cars, but I am a little bit of a rice burner. Okay, if you're a little bit of a rice burner like me, you got a little bit of a mix in your collection, and you want to fix up your rice burners for cheap, there's one place you need to go: www.flashsharkracing.com. Okay, they're going to get you back on the road and get your car looking slick and clean on the cheap. I have everything in this description below in the video as far as this exact kit that we got on this car. By the way, this is a kit for a 2002 to 2005 Honda Civic. This will fit the RSX, just to clear that up. Because I know you guys are going to click on like, wait, this is for Honda Civic, what the heck? Yeah, it's all universal. It's all the same. I believe it's the same unibody or whatever. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. For those of you guys that want to see what a basic, cheap coilover system will look like on your RSX, you can take it lower than this, but this is just a general whereabouts of what your car could look like. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, new videos every week.